7 Essential Steps Before Selling Your Phone. Avoid costly mistakes. In a fast-paced tech world, people are upgrading their smartphones every 1 to 2 years, given the constant influx of new and feature-rich devices in the market. Selling your old phone has become easier with online platforms, but before you jump into the selling process, there are crucial steps you must take to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. Let's explore 7 essential tasks to perform before selling your phone. 1. Delete UI apps. Before listing your phone for sale, remove all user interface, UI, and payment apps, PhonePe, GPay, etc. This not only ensures privacy but also prevents any unauthorized access to your accounts. 2. Clear call and message history. Clean up your call and message history before parting ways with your phone. This step is crucial to safeguard your privacy and eliminate any sensitive information that might be lingering in your device. 3. Backup your data. Create a backup of your phone data before selling it. Utilize cloud services like Google Photos, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, or Dropbox for a secure backup. You can also store the backup on an external drive for extra safety. 4. Log out and reset device. Before selling your phone, log out of all accounts. This includes Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and any other accounts linked to your device. After logging out, perform a factory reset to erase all data and settings. 5. Remove memory card. If your phone uses a memory card, take it out before selling. While not everyone uses external memory cards nowadays, it's a good practice to ensure none of your personal data remains with the phone. 6. Remove SIM card and eSIM profile. If you have a physical SIM card, eject and remove it. For eSIM users, delete the eSIM profile from your phone's settings. This step prevents any issues related to connectivity or security. 7. WhatsApp backup. For those using WhatsApp, take a backup of your chats before selling the phone. This backup can be handy when you install WhatsApp on your new device, ensuring a seamless transition of your conversations.